What's up, fitness family? Today we're going to talk about how to avoid burnout when training for a half marathon. So stay tuned. Hey all my runners and future runners out there. If you're watching this episode, you're going to love the topic because this is for anyone who wants to know how to run a 5k, a 10k, a half marathon or a full marathon. So stay tuned and let me see if I can get you the answer that you need to help you along your journey. Now this question is by Rebecca and she says, "Hi Ryan, I'm not really a runner, but currently my sister and I are training for a half marathon. Every day I try to go all out when I'm running, but the distance is not increasing very much, and now I am starting to feel discouraged and tired. Can you please let me know what is the best way to train for a half marathon and avoid burnout at the same time?" Rebecca, that's a common thing. It happens to a lot of people. The reason why you're burning out and getting tired and not able to do it is because you're trying to do too much at once. You're trying to make vast increases to the amount of K you can run, but you've never really ran before. What you need to focus on doing is increasing over a long period of time. Each day try and make a small incremental increase, and then each week track your progression. So if you manage to run 5k the first week, you need to say, right, next week I'm going to try and run 6k. Then the week after that I'm going to try and run 7k. Then the week after that I'm going to try and run 8k. If you can do that, then you should be fine. But don't try and think about trying to run an extra 2 or 3k each day. It just won't happen. Your body needs time to recover to allow you to run for those long distances of time. If you do that, you should be more than okay for your marathon. Also remember to train your legs. If you don't have the leg strength but you have the lungs and you have the lungs and the heart, your legs will turn to jelly and they just won't let you finish the race even though your heart and lungs can. So make sure you're doing some strength training on your legs as well. If you do that, you should be more than okay when it comes to this marathon. I hope that answered your question. If you have any more, feel free to email in and I'll be happy to answer them. Hey super people, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll be the first notified when our latest and hottest fitness and fat loss video comes out. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.